Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you my everyday flawless base makeup look and what are the products that I love for my base makeup. So yeah, just ignore them, okay? So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. The first important thing for my day makeup is always to moisturize my skin and then use one SPF. This one is from Fix Derma. This one is a shadow SPF 50. I love this product. I especially use it during like winters, but I am going to use it for today. And this actually, just because I have shaved my face and my skin is feeling a little bit dry today, that's the reason I'm using it. This is very good for dry skin. Sunscreen is a must, guys. Please use sunscreen. I just let it sit for a few seconds or just 1 minute or so, and then I use my primer. My primer is from, this is my go-to primer. I always love using this. This one is from Nykaa. This one is a Prep Me Up face primer. It's a very beautiful primer. To be a very light, everyday kind of a look, I just focus on areas where I have pores, and especially my nose area as well, and also my chin and my forehead. By the way, I already did my brows, so that's a compulsory step for me. Now for my everyday, where is my concealer? I forgot to bring my concealer. Here it is. Now for my everyday, sometimes I have like 2-3 products with me. So this is like my current favorite product. This one is from Physicians Formula. This one is the Healthy Foundation, Healthy Skin Foundation with SPF 20. This is a really good product if you want some kind of base for you every day. This is highly recommended. Such a beautiful product, such a beautiful coverage, so lightweight. And also I love using this one if sometimes I'm going out for lunch or maybe dinner date. Gives me a medium to full coverage kind of, this is buildable. So most of the days when I'm just on a hurry and I just want to get out, shut up, I have no time to do my makeup, I just use this particular product. This one is L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is one of my favorite products. If you have ever used Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, this is the dupe. This is such a beautiful product. I really love it. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you a mix and match and nothing else. Also, I love using the ColourPop Tinted Moisturizer. That's also my personal favorite. It's a very beautiful product. I'm gonna use this one. This one is a Physicians Formula Healthy Glow Foundation. I'm just gonna take 3 dots. This is how I love doing my makeup. And whenever I feel like I need more coverage, I always add a little amount more. And I'm going to take my beauty sponge and I'm just going to press it. This is the technique, guys. This is how you need to blend your foundation. Very light hand, dab it like this and blend your product. Do not rub your skin. Do not rub the beauty blender. Just light hand dabbing motion. And then I'm just going to use a little bit of concealer. This one is L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 315. Just going to take 2 dots just like that. One over here and over here. And I'm going to take my brush. This is a very random brush. And I am just going to use it. I'm using a brush with a full coverage concealer just because I used 1 dot. Okay? Not too much. So I want a little bit of coverage and I want to spread the product all over my under eyes, eye area. So that's the reason I'm using a brush. But days when I want to use the concealer just as my base, just naturally, I use my beauty sponge. Always go with my beauty blender afterwards just to blend out everything properly. And then I'm gonna take my powder. This one is from Faces Canada. This one is the Ultimate Pro HD Compact Powder. And this is what it looks like. It's like a translucent powder. I usually go with loose powder, translucent loose powder, but today I'm gonna use this. This is also a very beautiful lightweight powder. And I am just going to use it to set my under eyes. You can set your entire face as well, but I love only to set my under eyes. Okay. Now I am going to use, where is my blush? This. I'm going to use my Glossier Cloud Paint, and before using the bronzer, this is in the shade Spark. I love this product. I use this all the time to do my makeup. You guys know how much I love this. And this is the area where I use my blush. Okay, now I take my sponge and blend it all together. There you go. And then for my bronzer, I take this Absolute New York bronzer, and I just use a little amount just to give my face a little bit of warmth. And lastly, I use any highlighter. I'm using this one today. Sometimes if I think that there is some extra product, I love using it on my lips. And now I will just go because I have to film one real video, short review kind of a video. So I will be back and show you the final look. So this is not the eye makeup look that I will do for my everyday. This was just for the reel that I filmed, and I reviewed this particular product on my reel. So if you want to check that out, then go follow me on Instagram. Anyways, the last step that I do is one of my favorite affordable lip gloss. This one is from Essence. This one is their lip gloss in the shade Pearly Peach, and yeah, I use it sometimes. Love the product. It is so lightweight. Please just look at my base. This is what my flawless base looks like. My everyday base looks like. This is what I do for my everyday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you learned something. And if you want me to do something else, then let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Now I'm gonna just take some pictures, and that's it for today. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching. Also, I am taking online makeup classes, which is going to be individual classes, and the slot is like full for this week, but I'm taking classes from next week again, Monday. So let me know if you want to join. It's going to be a 2-day 2 hours class, like each day 2 hours. So you're getting 4 hours class for 2 days. One will be a learning teaching class where I will teach you guys everything about everything that you want to learn, obviously, and the other day will be the practice class. So yeah, there will be flawless base application, there will be eyeshadow application, brushes that you need, product guide, and everything. So if you want to join, definitely make sure to DM me on Instagram, or you can comment down here as well. Bye.